Today we are making a bright and creamy matcha pistachio smoothie, slightly nutty, naturally green and perfect for a healthy breakfast or snack. Blend a frozen banana, fresh spinach, matcha powder, pistachio butter, Greek yogurt, almond milk and a little honey if you like. Blend on high speed until completely smooth. By the way, you can also find all the ingredients in the description below. Banana provides potassium for natural energy, spinach is full of iron and vitamins, matcha powder is rich in antioxidants and gives you a gentle energy boost, pistachio butter contains healthy fats and protein. Chia seeds are full of fiber and omega-3s, which are good for digestion. Pour your smoothie into a glass, add a line of chia seeds, sprinkle some crushed pistachios and drizzle a little Greek yogurt on top. And there you have it, a simple energizing matcha pistachio smoothie that looks as good as it tastes. If you try this at home, I'd love to hear how yours turns out, and don't forget to subscribe for more calm and healthy kitchen recipes.